going to see about the oil and gas price prediction using machine learning techniques. Now we are going to see about the overview of our project. The main objective is to predict the oil and gas price using different regression algorithms. Over 10,000 failures have occurred in US oil and gas pipelines in the past 15 years, highlighting the significance of safety measures for such facilities. Various models have been proposed by researchers to predict different failure parameters. Despite such effects, no comprehensive review has yet been conducted in this domain. The objective of this study is to provide a detailed review of the methodologies proposed to predict failure parameters for oil and gas pipelines. Then we have to implement the feature so many different techniques for predicting the oil and gas price. Here the system is developed the machine learning regression algorithms such as random forest regressor and decision tree regressor. Finally, the experimental results shows that some performance metrics such as mean absolute error and mean squared error, and also we can predict the oil and gas price effectively. So this is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our project. The input oil and gas data set. So here we have to select your input data set, select the data set, or we have to collect our input data set from some data set repositories like UCI, Kaggle, GitHub and so on. Then we have to select your input data set with the help of pandas package. Then we have to implement the pre-processing step. Here we have to handle missing values. If you have any number of missing values in your data set, means we have to replace that missing values by zeros. Then we have to perform label encoding. Here we have to convert the string into some numeric integer values. The pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we have to split your whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. Then the splitted data are carried out to classification module. Here we have to implement different machine learning algorithms like decision tree regression and random forest regression. So with the help of regression we have to predict the oil and gas price. Then we have to estimate some performance metric like accuracy, then some error values. So this is the flow of our process. Now we are going to see the result, that is the demo of our project. So first we have to select your input data set, that is the data set name I previously told oil and gas. Just we have to select that input data set. So the process is running. We are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. This is the first model, that is the data selection. So we have to select your input data set with the help of pandas package. Here we are displayed some sample of data from our data set. Then before checking missing values, the 0 means there is no missing values in your data set. So actually this number means how many missing values are present in your data set. This is the count of missing values is present in our data set. Then this is after checking missing values. Label encoding. So label encoding means we have to convert the string into numeric integer value before handling label encoding. So this is the strings which present in our data set. So after handling label encoding, Then data splitting module. So here we have to split your whole data set into test and train. So this is the total number of data set which is present in our data. Then after splitting your data set, the data will be splitted like this. Yeah, first we have to predict the oil price. So this is the oil price. With the help of random forest regression, we have to predict the oil price. So this is the performance which we are estimated by using random forest regressions like mean absolute error, mean square error, truth mean square error, and accuracy. Then we are predicted gas price. With the help of decision tree regression, we are predict gas price. So similarly, it is the performance for decision tree regressions. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.